In this quick tutorial, we're going to look at what we can do with MIDI chords. We're in BandLab, so let's click on here, drop a loop or an audio MIDI file. This brings us into the folder, and I can see I've got major and minor chords, so let's go to the major. Alt 4 style, basic 4 style, hip hop style, and lots of different chord progressions in all the keys. So let's go for this one, double click, and there it is. Let's have a listen. So it defaults to a piano, as you can see by this icon here. So let's try it with different sounds. I'm going to drag it up to the top here. And you can see I've loaded in a new age synth. Let's have a listen. Let's drag it down to a double bass section. Next, we'll try a male choir. Let's add a drum beat. Here's one I prepared earlier. And the great thing about MIDI files is you can edit them. So let's say I want to copy this one. Right click, copy. Let's put it on the soft sine bass track. Paste. It's exactly the same. And if I double click it, we go to the MIDI editor, which is a series of instructions to play a note. Now, this is a bass synth, so what I'm going to do is take out the higher notes, leaving the bass ones down here. So I'm going to lasso them. And delete. Let's have a listen how that sounds. That's good. Let's copy this track again and maybe put it back on the piano track. Let's copy it again and put it on the new age synth track. Maybe on this track we could take away the bass line. Because we've already got one. We don't need two. Let's just solo that. S for solo. Let's take a few more bass notes out. Delete. And play it in the track. if we wanted to get really experimental, we could double click and take random notes out or add some new ones. Let's start by removing the bass piano, and in these chords, 2 notes off there, 1 note off there, 1 note in the middle, we could shorten them. Let's solo that and have a listen. Take the solo off. Let's have a listen to it in context with the rest of the track. So out of one chord progression, we've put in a melody, a bass line, and you can see where we're going with this. We can just get really imaginative and be very creative.